Okay, our board's sanded to about 220 right now. I wanted to make sure all the epoxy was off to see how the logo came out. It's nice and smooth, looks really nice. We're going to continue on with a 320 grit, 500 grit, and then 1000 grit, and bring this down to, at 1000 grit, the wood will start to shine like a glaze. It's just because it's such a smooth grain. So before we get further though with the sanding, I want to kind of check out the hardware we got at Amazon for the carrying server handles, the corner protectors, and the feet for the bottom. So I've already opened this up. I want to see what's inside. These are the antique style handles. I don't know if you can see that. And hammered finish, flat black. They look really nice. See those? So my thought process was these will go about here, like an old school serving tray, and then here are the corner protectors, decorative hammered metal corner protectors. I don't know if you can see these. I like these. I think like $10 on Amazon. They will go on the corners here, so that looks really nice. And then we have these are the hardwood cherry feet for the bottom with the rubber grommets, so it won't scuff up the counter, and it'll be nice and soft against the nice counters they do have at the distillery. So yeah, I think they match pretty good too to the cherry, so that's gonna look good on bottom, I think. So now we'll finish sanding. We will then shine the board up with some oils, get it nice deep in there, make the wood really pop, and then we'll add the hardware. My favorite part of doing these boards is pouring on the conditioner and watching the grains start to pop. So we will get our nice rag out here and just begin spreading on the good stuff and watch the grains really lift out of the wood. So excited right now. Woo!